Okay, let's talk about the one-hot coding. So, one-hot coding. Okay, so what is this? It is one coding is a method where we represent categorical data. Okay, and what we are doing basically, we are changing the text data into a binary vector. Okay, so it represent categorical data. Okay, categorical data to what? To binary vector. So in this binary vectors, all the values are zero set for index this correspond to category is marked as 1. Okay, so basically this technique is commonly employed in the machine learning where we are dealing with the categorical variables. Okay, so let me give you example. Let's take a simple example. I have 3 categories. In these categories, I will have 3 different color: red, green. Okay, then I have blue. Okay, so I'm just assigning the indexing to it. I'm giving this is 1, this is 3. Okay, so what one-hot encoding do is what? Like if I'm talking about red, okay, in red, this is index 1, so it will show 1 at this place, other value is 0. Okay, if I have this green, okay, then I have 0, 1, 0, and for blue, this is 3, so 1 at third place. In this representation, each color is uniquely identified by a vector of length 3. Okay, the 3 is the number of categories. So the position of 1 in the vector indicates the corresponding color. For instance, the one-hot encoding vector 010 represent the color green. This represent the color red. This represent the color blue. Okay. So now question is why it's needed. Why one-hot? So this method is useful when we are dealing with the machine learning algorithm that requires numerical input as it transforms the categorical data into a format that can be easily processed. Okay, so basically when we have the categorical data, okay, and we want to use in a machine learning algorithm, so we need to change into a numeric. Okay, to transforming this categorical data into this format, we need a one-hot encoding. Okay, so it ensures that the model does not misinterpret the categorical values as ordinal. Ordinal and nominal, we have a different categories in categorical data. Ordinal means having a specific order. Okay, what ordinal mean is? It's a type of categorical data having specific order. Okay, for example, we have 3 categories: low, medium, high. So we know low come first, then medium, then high. Okay, and it treat as the distinct entities. Okay, so if I talk about in summary, What is one-hot encoding? So one-hot encoding is the powerful tool for converting categorical data into suitable format for machine learning algorithm, for ML algorithms. Okay, is ensuring the accurate representation and preserving the uniqueness of different categories. So this is all about the one-hot encoding. Thank you.